First, place the equipment in the designated location and position it properly. Secondly, the power supply needs to be properly connected. The power supply is a 3-phase 5-wire system TNS system. Our 3-phase power has 3-phase conductors designated as R, S, and T. The N conductor is the neutral conductor, and the P conductor is the protective earth conductor. After the connections are correctly made, our power supply is 380 volts at 50 Hz. On the back of the machine, there are 3 ports, each labeled for identification. This is the main power supply interface. The second one is the drain outlet. After the machine defrosts, water will flow out from here, so this port is for connecting the drain hose. The third hole is an air inlet, which is used for connecting the air hose. After the air hose is connected, the pressure needs to be adjusted to between 5 and 6 kilograms. If the pressure falls below 5 kilograms, the equipment will trigger a low pressure alarm and will stop working. After we correctly connect the power supply at the back, we need to turn this switch on and push the circuit breaker up to the closed position. Then, we can turn on the power. This is the power switch. The middle one is a buzzer alarm, and the one on the left is a window light. We press the power button. See the screen showing the main interface. The first one is a graph view, which we clicked on, and when we get to the curve display page, you will see the test curves that we generated. By moving the cursor left and right, you can view the different points on the curve. The page will show the set value and the actual value for comparison. In addition, you can zoom and move this curve left and right. Click back. This is a main view monitoring interface. To click on it. In this screen, you can view temperature information. By clicking the right arrow, you can see the low temperature zone, high temperature zone. In the corresponding position, you can click the run button and the device will start running continuously. After clicking back, you will see a function and fix. Here, you can make a language switch and select Chinese or English. There is also an option to set the backlight time. For example, if you set the backlight time to 15 minutes, it will automatically dim after the screen has been displayed for 15 minutes. After clicking back, this is a prog setting. Enter the prog setting interface. Click to enter the pattern edit. You can modify the test name. For example, set it as program number 2. Here is the high temperature zone. The high temperature zone is currently set to 80 degrees Celsius. The impact target value is 80 degrees Celsius. The preheat value can be set to 5 degrees Celsius higher than it, that is, 85 degrees Celsius. This is our test time. The test time can be set to 30 minutes. Here is the low temperature zone. The low temperature zone is set to -40 degrees Celsius. The pre-cooling value needs to be 20 to 25 degrees Celsius lower than. It can be set to -65 degrees Celsius. Set the number of cycles, such as the current selection of 1 time. If the test needs to cycle 20 times, after the completion of the equipment will automatically stop. The latter setting is the factory default, no need to modify. Click back. There's a defrost edit here. Click in. There's manual defrost and automatic defrost. When we do the program, we usually select auto defrost. Here is the defrost temperature. We usually set it at 50 degrees Celsius. There's a defrost and move time here. Let's say at a minimum we hold it for 30 minutes. When the temperature reaches 50 degrees Celsius, then hold it for 30 minutes. It restarts to do the shock cycle. This is the number of automatic defrost cycle times. For example, if I set it to 30 now, when this cycle switches back and forth 30 times, it will start this automatic defrost. And if you don't want to do it that long, you can modify it. For example, if I set it to 20, then that means that after you do the cycle 20 times, it will do an automatic defrost. Click back. Here's the pattern name edit. Click on the name of the experiment we can change, corresponding to just where we are number 2. We can change the name in number 2. According to your needs can be changed. The language can be switched. Once we've edited these program editor, return to the main screen. Click on the main view again. Put the program we need. For example, we just set up the number to program. We select program number 2 here to call up. And then click on the run. Stop. Click here to stop. Here is the reserve set. Click in. This is our current time. This is a reserve time. For example, book an appointment based on the time we need. After we set it up, click on the back to the main menu. Click in the main view, so that the machine to maintain this state. To reach the appointment time, the device can run automatically. Return to the main menu. Click on our advanced setting, which then we mainly look at this one. This is a fault record query. This is the alarm time, alarm description, alarm and time. Then this is a manufacturer's information, such as product model, manufacturer information. Then open the box door, followed by the inner box door. Our 4-wire rack is adjustable up and down, and is equipped with a hook that can be hung on the hanging bridge and can be moved up and down. For example, when you hang the hook upwards, the 4 corners need to be synchronized and moved together to the same height position, and the partition can then be placed flat. As it is now, the 4 corners are in a uniform position. The partition is placed in a stable position, and after placing it, the inner box door is closed first, and then the box door is closed again, after which we can run the equipment.